Good morning everybody. Alright, we've got something interesting today. Now this is a hybrid steamer import. Toyota won't have a bar of this car, so we've got it in for diagnostics. No start, VSC warning, and a low highest power supply voltage fault and lost comm with communication with hybrid and EV control system. Now first thing, going through fuses. Hybrid EV control fuses are on top of this inverter here. As you can see, we've got a good feed, good feed, good feed, good feed, good feed up to the battery junction. If we go here, you can see that's lighting very dimly. Dim, dim, and dim. So our next thing is to find out where this feed comes from. Alright, so just quick checks now. I don't know what feeds these three fuses, but as you can see, I've pulled that main relay out behind and we've got nothing on these three. We do still have a feed on here. So I've got 10.1 volts, 10.1 volts, nothing, and battery voltage. So this is getting control. We've got no ground on there at the minute, but we're not getting a feed through. If we pop this relay back in without losing the LED test light, we've only got 2.9 volts on that relay. That is not enough. Alright, so we've made progress on this. Now, as we know, this main relay here feeds these three fuses that are lighting a test light dim. So we've got 2.8 volts on those fuses, but not obviously battery voltage, which should be 12 volts. So what we're going to do here, before I open that relay all the way up, is we're going to do a bit of a bypass test. So what we'll do is we'll get the power probe just gently stuck in there. We're going to bypass it and power it up. I'm going to hop in the car, turn it on, and we'll see if it goes into ready mode, which is the equivalent to a started vehicle. Alright, go. Alright, so that should be, if I turn this on now, hey, there we go, ready mode. Obviously we've got communication, we've got no VSC warnings, so we know where our issues lay. Alright, as we can see, that's our relay control. Turn it off. And that's off. So we know that our feed and our ground side control is good. It can light a test light, and that relay is just buggered. So I'm going to pull it apart. Might try and clean the contacts up and see what happens. Alright, so I don't have a genuine Toyota relay, but we do have a Bosch 70 amp relay. Now this is the genuine Toyota one, is a 70 amp one. The Bosch one is the same configuration, so it's a protected relay. Now we've got that in there. Going to get it started, do a fault report, clear all the faults and make sure it's all sorted. So we'll come back once that's done. Alright, and we're back in. This is our final fault list. What do we got? What do we got? In our hybrid control unit, HV main relay current, that's to be expected. So let's clear all these faults out. Done. So that cleared out. Hopefully we clear all these ABS main body faults out. I'm going to turn this off and we're going to turn it back on into ready mode once it's done. That's off. On, ready mode flashes off and on, so that means it's initialized, VSC forward drive, and we are started. And the bonnet's open still, and the rear door's open. Alright, one last fault report, and happy days. No hybrid faults, no engine ECU faults. Like I said, we will be putting an OE relay in there for the sake of doing things properly. We're also going to be cleaning this up because I don't like this expansion bottle spraying all over our connectors and everything here. They're all clean, but we will clean all this up. I'm going to get a proper relay in there, but that is a running and happy car. Thank you everyone for watching.